everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to another Rewind Plan with me. This week I am using this October mystery kit from GP Sticker Studio. I think it's actually very springy, probably because October is spring for her in Australia. So I've been saving it to use for spring, and I think it is so gorgeous. It's like one of my favorite kits ever, so much so that I picked up 2 of them. So stay tuned for the very end if you would like to potentially win this one. I'm just showing you some of the foil stickers that I am pulling for this spread. I used, what colorways are those? The Sophie and the Stella, no, not Stella. I can't remember what that green colorway is, but I pulled like different pinks and peaches to go with this spread, and also the I think I originally pulled whatever that colorway is with the green from Clever Gal Crafts to use green stickers because I've noticed I have this tendency where pink is obviously my favorite color, and I love almost all my spreads have some sort of soft pink in them, and I have this tendency to pull, if there's pink in a spread, I will pull more pink in always. Like pink foiled stickers, pink functional stickers, well, not pink foil, pink stickers with not pink foil on them. I'm using rose gold for this spread. But anyways, I notice I have this tendency to always pull pink in or try and make the spread more pink. So I was like, you know what, maybe I will try and use some of these green stickers from Clever Gal Crafts and make it more green. And then I'm looking down at my spread right now, and of course I literally did not use a single green sticker. The only green stickers I used were stickers that were full boxes that had green in them for the florals. But yeah, I'm just putting down all the usual stuff right now, nothing too crazy, just doing things like I normally do. I think the reason that this week I was like, oh, maybe I'll pull some green in is because I found a new to me planner channel that I became instantly obsessed with. It's Ola La Juliet, or Julie maybe, and I just have been loving her videos, and she did a spread from Piper Paper Company that was pink and green, and she pulled a lot of green in, and I was like, okay, this still looks really pretty and feminine while still also having a lot of green stickers, and I thought that was very talented and inspiring, but apparently not that inspiring because I didn't actually manage to pull any green stickers in. That sidebar is my usual sidebar. I just added some washi from the kit, and then layered the Nicole Alexia designs to do and work scripts. And then these Clever Gal Crafts flags are from the Stella colorway. The peachy pink matched the peachy pink in this spread beautifully, really, really well. And then I'm just staggering my full boxes. The last plan with me that I did, I tried to not stagger my full boxes, and not stagger them the way that I'm doing this spread. I just tried to kind of mix them randomly into my spread, kind of how I used to do in my old plan, not my old style, because I'll do it every once in a while, but I found it really difficult, and it's just hard to make it look balanced when you're not purposefully balancing the big blocks of color that are full boxes. So I went back to this style this week. I did love having little things last week. I just hated, I'm sure if you saw the video, I'm not sure if it's going up before or after this because I have them both filmed, but as of right now when I'm recording this, I haven't uploaded either. So sorry, so I don't know if you've watched it already, but I really hated the way I did the little things and didn't have, I stacked them directly on top of the washi instead of having white space in between. Oh my goodness, it killed me. But yeah, so now I am pretty much just getting into the day by day here. I don't know why I didn't finish my headers. What is the rhyme or reason to that? I have no idea. But yeah, I just put down these, and then I'm like, all right, time for Monday. So on Monday, I am pulling this bow paperclip sticker from the deco of the kit and marking that my time card was due. The bow that you may see in this video that I have like at the top is literally that bow exactly. Like I have the actual real life version of that, and it made me so happy when I realized that. I was like, just with like the black paper clip and everything and the exact same color and like style of bow, I was like so excited. And then I put down this half box and that sticker that I won't say out loud, but like says so effing happy. And then a icon from the kit to mark that my sister moved back home from college that day. So I was like so excited because she's been in Alabama for 4 years. So I'm very happy to have her just a half hour away from me now. I was trying to mark work, and I had pulled out those bow paperclip stickers from Arctic Paper Studio, and I didn't love it, so I just put the work sticker with the asterisk from the kit to mark my meetings. And then I'm like trimming the script off of that sticker. I think it says cook or bake or something. And then I'm trimming down that flag and layering them to mark that I meal prepped on Monday. Ever since I've moved into this apartment, Steven and I have been really great about meal prepping for the week, and it's just made my life so much easier. We'll like, I don't know, just do a ton of work at the beginning of the week and then not have to do any work towards the end of the week, and it's been so nice. Yeah, and just simple. Also, I marked with the heart from Clever Gal Crafts that I drove home to my parents' house to see my sister when she arrived from her flight that night. So I marked that with a heart. Tuesday was a crazy day at work. I had 8 meetings that day, I think, which is just insanity. I work for a very like meeting heavy kind of company, but days like that I'm like, dang it, I literally cannot work. I'm only supposed to be here for 8 hours and I have 8 meetings. So I took I couldn't fit like all the different meetings and times that I had like I normally do. So, because there was 8 of them. So I just flipped a half box over, layered the work sticker on top, and then put a laptop from the kit. I trimmed off the work script and put that laptop down at the bottom, and I think it turned out really cute. And then when I got home that night, I had a ton of laundry to do, so I marked that with a quarter box from the kit and a laundry sticker from the kit also. And then I took a flag and I don't know where that envelope is from. I don't know, to mark some mail. And then there was a little bit of white space, so I took the squiggle from the Nikki Plan sampler with rose-colored days to just kind of add some foil to that section since there wasn't any, and fill up that space. And I think it does a really great job of like filling up the space, but not, but still like leaving white space. So it's super cute, in my opinion. On Wednesday, I went and got coffee, and I also picked up my coffee for like my ground coffee. I get a pound of French roast ground to number 5 from Pete's. That's my coffee order. It's what my parents have always got, and I like can't imagine having my morning coffee any other way. It's just so great. It's so lovely. Let me know what coffee you get. I'm always so curious because it's such a different thing for different people. We did try, oh my gosh, at work the other day though. I'm very anti like Keurig or like Nespresso or any kind of coffee that comes out of like prepackaged plastic from the grocery store. Like not for me. It's not for me. I feel like I can taste the plastic. But we had Keurig come in, and like they had this super fancy machine that made like lattes and stuff with I think real milk, and they like did a little demo at work because they're like, you guys might be getting one, and it was so good, and it's like made me rethink my whole theory about Keurigs and Nespressos like being inherently bad. So I don't know. Anyways, let me know what you think if you're like me, if you only drink drip coffee, or if you will like do Nespresso or Keurig. Okay, so then I just talked through that, but obviously I marked work the same way that I did on Monday, the meetings that I had. And then moving down to the bottom, I may have kind of cut this part out, which is a little bit of a bummer, but I went to the gym on Wednesday night, and I used the sticker, the workout sticker from the kit. I didn't cut the script off for this one, and then I just marked that I did cardio at the gym. And I also went to CVS this day, and I just grabbed the flowers from the kit because they're so pretty, and I just really wanted to use them. They don't represent CVS at all, but I just was like, I don't even care. I just want to use some of this deco because it's so pretty. I took the to-do script from Nicole Alexia Designs, and I wrote that I wanted to go to CVS, or that I did go to CVS under that. And then I'm kind of giving you a little wiggle shot for the first half of the week. On Thursday, I am putting the headers down, of course, and then I am also marking, I guess I'm putting the headers down for a couple ones. I love GP Sticker Studio's vinyl paper. I think it's like really great because it's super removable, and I'm bad at positioning stickers all the time. Headers are, but what I was gonna say though is that it's kind of floppy, so it makes positioning headers really difficult because it's just floppy and it's like hard to position it where you want it. So if the headers look a little uneven, that's why. The good news is you can always pull them up and redo them because it's removable vinyl and it's really easy to do. But the bad news is it's just kind of difficult. So anyways, that's my little spiel. On Thursday, this part is a little cut off. I'm taking a sneaker from a separate GP Sticker Studio like fitness functional page, not part of the kit, and I'm marking my spin class with a quarter box, and then I am taking the Nicole Alexia Designs sticker again and marking the meeting that I had on Thursday the same way that I marked the rest of them. The good thing about having 8 meetings on Tuesday meant that I didn't have a whole lot of meetings for the rest of the week. Like, I was only having 1 or 2 a day after that, which was really nice, actually. I didn't get anything done on Tuesday that I'm supposed to, and I have a lot of stuff that I'm supposed to do on Tuesdays, but it was nice for the rest of the week. Okay, so this part I actually cut out a little bit of it because I couldn't decide on the positioning. I really like how it ended up, but I went back and forth so many times. I was having to make a lot of calls and do a lot of research and stuff about health insurance. I turned 26 in April, and this is early May, so if you turned 26 recently, you know that means you get kicked off your parents' health insurance. So I was having to research what I wanted for myself, and I don't know, it was like a whole thing. So I put a half box for that, and I took an important script from the Planner Sophisticate and Rose Color Days sampler. Oh, that's my coffee, by the way, that I was talking about earlier. I was planning on Saturday morning, so I wanted to show you because I was just having a really great time and enjoying myself planning on Saturday morning with my cup of coffee that I made. Anyways, so the back to the health insurance, the bow clip is from the kit, and then I already told you where the important sticker was from, and then above that I did some more meal prep on Thursday night. So like I do a little bit like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday or Sunday. Well, sorry, that was so confusing. I meal prep on Monday for like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I'll do it again on Thursday for like Thursday, Friday, and then the weekends. So I marked that with just like another piece of deco from the kit. And then, I struggled so hard lining this payday sticker up with, with this flag I cut down. I don't know what happened here, but I could not get it straight for the life of me. And like, you saw how long I struggled with this, and this is like 3 times the speed. So it was literally just like minutes of me doing that. So it's not even straight like right now, but I just was like, I'm going to kill this sticker. It's not going to work anymore if I do anything more to it. So I kind of left it where it was. And then both the payday and the $ foiled stickers are from Rose Color Days. Yeah, and then I marked my meeting on Thursday the same way that I had been doing the rest of the week. My boyfriend, yes. I'm trying to remember. My fiance and I, guys, I'm still doing that. We went on a lunch date on Friday, which was really nice. And I marked that with a flag from the kit and a heart from Clever Gal Crafts. And then Friday night was super chill, which was awesome. I just kind of stayed home, and I think we probably ordered takeout or something, or Postmates, and then I filmed a plan with me, or I filmed part of it at least. So I took the little play button from this Rose Color Day sampler, and then the planner from the kit to mark the plan with that I filmed the plan with me, and stuck it down at the bottom there. And then on Saturday, I sampler, and then the planner to mark that on Saturday morning. And then this weekend was Mother's Day, so Steven and I celebrated with his mom on Saturday and then my mom on Sunday. So what his mom wanted to do for Mother's Day was go to the tap rooms and like breweries in Oakland and Berkeley and just do a bunch of beer sampling, which was super fun. We had a great time. We went to Sierra Nevada, which is like one of our favorites. If you're ever in Oakland or Berkeley, you should totally go to the tap room there because they have literally the best beer in my opinion. And then we went on a dinner. We went out to dinner afterwards at this great like pizza place that has this really great outdoor patio with like cafe lights and a band, and it's just super fun. So that night was super fun. I was a little hungover, I will say, at like 3 in the morning. But I woke up the next day and was fine-ish, but I had a super full day that next day. You saw on top we ran a bunch of errands. I went to Trader Joe's and Safeway and Anthropologie to do some returns, and then we did Mother's Day with my family also. So I marked the brunch. We did a brunch at like 12:30. I took that French press little thing, drip coffee thing, and a flag from the kit to mark that, and then we did dinner at my aunt's house with my family that night, and I used another heart from Clever Gal Crafts to mark that. Oh, and then up on top too, where I wrote errands on Sunday, that is from Jackson Pepper, that sticker. So this is the whole spread. I love it. I think it turned out really well. I love all the white space. I love how light it is. I'm really happy with my choice of rose gold foil because it just pulls some of the like peachy rosy tones in the kit. I was considering silver, but I think that the rose gold just ended up being really pretty, and I love how it ended up, and I don't think you could mess up a spread with this kit. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and I'm going to talk about the giveaway that I'm doing with this kit because I hit 1,000 followers a little bit ago on YouTube. So thank you so much for that. If you aren't subscribed already, please do if you like what you see. Thanks guys. Bye. Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video that you just watched. I love this spread and I'm so excited about it. This is the first time that I'm ever coming onto my channel and like speaking to the camera instead of doing a voiceover for something, so I'm a little nervous. But I did want to come on here and talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. I had mentioned, I think maybe on my Instagram or somewhere, that I wanted to do a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel because YouTube has been so much fun for me. I started doing it, I think not even 6 months ago, and it's just been like the best thing ever. So I just wanted to give back and say thank you. I have another one of the kits that I just used. This is the GP Sticker Studio October Mystery Kit. It's no longer available. They're only obviously available the month that they're for. But I just love the kit so much, and I think the spread turned out really well, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it too and maybe would like to pick one up. So if you do want to pick one up, you can just leave a comment. Well, if you'd like to win this one, I guess, you can leave a comment below and just tell me something like, oh, I don't even know, maybe something that you just like about planner videos, like why you watch them or something you enjoy about them, whether it's something that I do or not. I just love hearing from you guys, and I love hearing the feedback. So yeah, go ahead and do that, and then I'll pick somebody to win this. Yeah, and that's all. Thanks so much, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the spread. As always, I really appreciate you watching, and if you've subscribed, I so appreciate that as well. So that's all. Thanks, guys. Bye.